ਸੋ ਸਾਈਕਲਿੰਗ ਫॉर ਡਾਈਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਉਪਰਾਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਈਕਲਸ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਡਾਈਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਮਨਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ-ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਟੀਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਆਓ ਕੁਝ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ ਡਿਪਟੀ ਚੀਫ ਆਫ ਐਬਟਸਫੋਰਡ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਰਿਕ ਲਿਊਸੀ ਤੋਂ। Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure having you. And as this initiative which has been taken by Cycling for Diversity, how do you feel about it?
Well, we just, for myself personally, just a huge supporter of matters of diversity, try and be involved in a lot of different initiatives that have diversity as a message. We do an awful lot as a police department as well, and as an agency within our own community of Abbotsford, and for the larger region, anything that we can do to support the discussion around diversity we think is so important.
The demographics are changing, especially in the lower mainland and in Abbotsford especially. We find a lot of Indo-Canadians live over there. And other communities are also coming and living in lower mainland because they feel it's a good place to live. But along with that, we are also finding that integration, what Ken talked before the break, that we are finding is not happening much. You as an enforcement agency, how do you view this?
Yeah, it's very interesting for us because, of course, it is a great place to live and it is very attractive to lots of people to come to the area. Unfortunately, I mean, there's the wonderful part about diversity and the celebrating of our differences and all the things that brings that enriches a community, and that's part of what we want to celebrate.
Right.
Unfortunately, on a policing side, as some agencies do, we get to see the negative side of things from time to time, and that's a big concern. So that when people are either intolerant of each other or are acting in a way that's worse than that, taking actual actions against each other because of either racial motivation or other forms of hate motivation, it's a very serious problem, and we often get involved as a police agency, and they can be very serious matters.
Right. And over the years, you must have been in the police for a long time to come up to this post where you are right now. So over the years, what do you feel? That intolerance level is decreasing, or people have started accepting each other and they value these kind of friendships?
You know, you're right about having seen different things over the years. It's been both promising, but at the same time concerning, because overall I think that a majority of people are celebrating the differences that are out there and all the wonderful things that different cultures and diversity brings. However, from time to time there are events that happen that are of the most serious type that are very concerning, and so it leaves you wondering about whether the message is actually getting out there enough and whether the knowledge base is great enough. And it's part of why we believe in supporting and participating in this, because we have to do something to help get that message out there in a positive way, and again embrace it for what it should be, is celebrated.
Right. Yeah. And how do you feel that events like Cycling for Diversity, which are taken out once a year, how can they have an impact on the psyche of the people?
Well, what's great about Cycling for Diversity in particular is that in addition to the message that it carries and the awareness that comes through participating in programs like yours, is the specific things that happen along the cycling event itself. And Ken and others who are organizing this have gone to a lot of work to involve the schools. And so it's a big theme within policing as well, is that often when we're looking to get positive messaging out there, we're working very much with the youth, because if we can start there and get mindsets thinking about things in a positive way and a healthy way, it can make a real difference. So Cycling for Diversity is going to hit a lot of schools through the course of the week.
Right. And Serena Derrickson, who's the executive coordinator of this event, was telling me of the previous year when they went and met the youngsters. A lot of innovations, a lot of ifs and buts which were in the minds of the people, they got washed away, because once you interact, then there's a communication level is better and then you understand better.
It's very true. And but what's also very cool about hitting the schools and the different age groups, that we're able to have a conversation with them and answer some of those types of questions. And one of the things that I bring to the discussion is I can talk depending on the age group. I last year was able to bring a very real, very timely example to the ride. Just a short time before last year's ride, we'd had an incident in Abbotsford where some elderly Indo-Canadian gentlemen had been attacked on a very racially motivated basis, and it was a serious event. And so it was very real, very concerning, and I used that as part of the discussion because it illustrates what can go wrong if things aren't healthy from a diversity point of view.
Right. Yeah. So while organizations like Cycling for Diversity are trying their best to spread this message of integration, but from the police department side, Abbotsford Police, how are you trying to spread this message of integrity?
So the idea of integrity or integration, again, is huge for us. For us to be responsible in policing for the safety of a community, we have to be engaged with the whole community. We have to have the trust of the whole community. We have to understand the whole community as best as we can. And for us, the idea around public messaging, around getting out there and making awareness on various different matters is important. It's also hugely important for us to be successful, to be as representative of the community as we can. So diversity is a huge thing for us.
Right.
And so we have a number of things going on that are aimed at hiring so that we're, again, able to represent the community. And we've got a very active diversity advisory committee, too, that looks to seek input from the various diverse groups in our city to help guide us on various matters. And so when things come along on a community level, like an event like diversity or Cycling for Diversity, it fits completely with what we're trying to do in our role.
So, like you mentioned about hiring, and that definitely helps when you know about your culture and the person who is from that particular background can help the police in solving issues. But on the other hand, especially for Cycling for Diversity this time, how is the Abbotsford Police going to be of use to them?
Well, we will be part of this. I'm able to carry a message forward that has got a police piece to it, but I'm a local community member who believes in this, cares about this. And from a policing point of view, I can, especially with the students, convey lessons around some of the things that happen when things aren't working well from a diversity point of view and get the students thinking about it. I certainly carry the very positive message about celebrating diversity, but there are real issues that we want to make people aware of, particularly youth, and so they can be thinking about events that happen, unfortunately, but are still present, so that people don't assume that everything is okay and nobody needs to be thinking or talking about this.
Right. And towards the end, what would be your message to the people who are watching this program? Why and how they can be a part of this?
We encourage, and I know that this comes from all of the core cyclists on this event, is that you can come and be a core cyclist, come ride with us for the whole event, come out and celebrate. The different stops along the way are going to be advertised, from the schools to the other community locations, and come and cheer us on along the route as well. But more than anything, I mean, there's the core ride itself, which we'd love to have the support and the enthusiasm for that. But going forward, it's about talking about and learning about diversity matters and helping your part in the community to help make a community better.
Wonderful. Mr. Lucy, thank you very much for your time, for being our guest and
sharing
this information and being a part of this good initiative which has been taken by Cycling for Diversity. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
जो जानकारी सानू अज दित्ती है जी उस विच मुख्य तौर ते यही चीज़ सामने आंदी है कि साइकलिंग फॉर डाइवर्सिटी वालों जिहड़ा इह उपराला कीता जा रहा है, इस विच तुसीं भी इसदा हिस्सा बन सकदे हो। उस वास्ते कोई भी जानकारी लैनी होए तां सरीना डायरैक्सन नूं जिहड़े कि इस इवेंट दे कोआर्डीनेटर हैं उन्हां नाल संपर्क कर सकदे हो cyclingfordiversity@gmail.com ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ।